All right, hold on to your hats. You thought AI was moving fast before? Today, we're witnessing a seismic shift. If you're creating anything content, art, films, what's happening right now with AI changes everything. Forget what you thought you knew. Today, you're getting a look at AI that sees, hears, and feels. Why your phone is about to become an AI supercomputer. And the rise of the autonomous creative co-pilot. This isn't just about tools. It's about a new era of possibility. So, the first big breakthrough. Multimodal AI is no longer just a concept. It's here, and it's stunning. Forget those early, janky AI videos. We're talking about models that don't just generate text or images. They understand and create video in near real time. Think about this. You give it a prompt like a detective in a rainy 1940s alley, looking grimly at a clue, and it generates a minute-long cinematic clip, complete with consistent characters, realistic camera movement, and perfect lighting. And the audio. No more robot voices. These models are now ensuring generated dialogue, emotional tone, and even background sound effects are perfectly cohesive with the visuals. The infamous uncanny valley is rapidly dissolving. This isn't just for Hollywood studios anymore. This is coming to tools you can use. It means your wild visual ideas, your dream sequences, your complex character animations can be brought to life with unprecedented speed and fidelity right from your desktop. Your imagination just got a direct high-speed line to the screen. Next up, the power of AI is coming home. Literally, for too long. Powerful AI meant expensive cloud computing, constant internet, and noticeable lag. Not anymore. The biggest efficiency leaps are in end-device AI. We're seeing powerful, complex models being optimized to run directly on your smartphone, your laptop, even your smart glasses, without needing a constant internet connection. This isn't just about convenience. It's about instant response times. Imagine editing a high-res video, generating complex code, or getting nuanced advice from an AI, all happening instantly in your pocket. This unlocks privacy, speed, and incredible new possibilities for creators on the go. Your phone isn't just a communication device. It's rapidly becoming your personal, portable AI supercomputer. It removes barriers, democratizes access, and puts serious power directly into your hands. Now, this next development is the one that really shifts the paradigm for creatives: the rise of autonomous agents. We're moving beyond AI that just answers questions. We're talking about AI systems that can understand a complex goal like create a 30-second promo video for my new course, and then autonomously plan, execute, and even debug a multi-step creative project. It researches, it brainstorms, it drafts, it edits. It learns from feedback, and it constantly refines, all without you having to micromanage every single step. The AI becomes your tireless, intelligent, autonomous, creative co-pilot, executing your purpose with incredible efficiency. These aren't just incremental updates. These are leaps. AI is getting faster, smarter, more intuitive, and more accessible than ever before. It's truly becoming an extension of your own creativity, ready to take your purpose and amplify it in ways we only dreamed of. If you're ready to master these new capabilities and leverage this next wave of AI to accelerate your unique creative journey and achieve your desired results, me here to guide you. I offer personalized one-on-one AI exploratory classes to help you integrate these powerful new tools into your workflow. You can find the links to book a session down below. And don't forget your subscriber discounts for essential AI tools like Descript and Murph AI. The future is here. Go create. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more.